Hello people, I'm back. I'm gonna make a YouTube video today. I've been slacking big time. Not been making any videos, so I'm gonna make amends to that and film some stuff. I'm in Port Barton at the moment, so I think last video I made I was in Cebu, so I've moved on a bit. I flew from Cebu to Coron, and then I went to I did a 3-day boat tour from Coron to El Nido. Mate, it's class. It was well good. So good. But so then I was in El Nido for like 6 days, and now I'm in Port Barton. Unfortunately, when I was in El Nido, I got the fucking worst food poisoning of my life. I thought I was gonna die. I did think I was gonna die, but I'm still not better. I'm pretty fucked actually, to be honest, but I'm not being sick. My tummy just hurts like shit, but I've got loads of medicine and that. I've been to the pharmacy, been to the doctors, so I've just got to crack on, to be honest, not let it ruin anything. But today I think there's like a waterfall here, so I'm going to just go to the waterfall and see what the crack is there. There's a boat trip to do in Port Barton as well, but I want to do it tomorrow, but I want to feel better. I want to feel good for it, and it's annoying me that I'm just feeling like shit. So I'll see. Decent day. I'm so hungry. Like, I want to eat food, but also every time I eat I just feel sick. So it's like, I don't know what to do. It's just pissing me off. It's ruining it, to be honest, but just gotta not be a bitch about it and just fucking get on, to be honest. That's all I can do. I'm taking loads of antibiotics now, so hopefully that will sort me out. But yeah, I'll see you lot probably at the waterfall, unless something eventful happens on the way. This guy is staying at the hotel. This is cheering me up. He's so small. Kitty. He loves to play. Oh no! Careful! Silly little cat. The guy here said he found him on the side of the road like a week ago, and then just bought him here, so now he lives here. It's pretty cool. I've just arrived at like the parking area. This dog's going fucking mental. Parked up the motor, and then I'm gonna walk down there to the waterfall. So shut up. Hopefully it's worth the drive up here, you know. In the jungle now, lads. Go across the sketchy bridge. I mean, I'm guessing that's the old bridge. And this is the new one. It's pretty cool though. Ooh. Let's go see what this waterfall is saying. You can swim in this. Like, it's a good one to swim in, which I'm kind of looking forward to, because a fresh dip might be just what I need, you know. Just what I need. What's he got? Ooh. Ooh, very nice. Banana. Oh, okay, thank you. Let's go in the jungle. What are they? What the hell are they? I've seen those before. They look like limes almost, but they're not. I don't know what they are. Okay, let's carry on. This is so cool, man. Trekking through the jungle. It's like really quiet as well. Can't hear no one. Very cool. steps in today. Lots of walking. It's good because I don't have to go walking later and just do this. Oh, this is pretty cool. Dogs. Everywhere you go, there's dogs. This geezer's trying to lift this log up. What the fuck are they doing? These boys are just trying to pull the bloody tree down. Don't know what's going on there. It's so cold, but it's like really, really refreshing. Just want to keep an eye on my shit because, yeah, I don't want to lose it. Let's go under that. It's actually pretty deep. It's well deep. You know, you wouldn't think it is, but it's really deep. Fucking hell. Try getting up there, but it's really hard. It's like so powerful. It just fucking blasts you off. I want to try get up there. Sit underneath the water. Yeah, it just blasts you away, man. It's so hard to get up there properly. I do bloody need a shit because fucking, as I said, my tummy is in pieces, man. The toilet there, but just from I've not even looked inside, but I can tell what it's gonna be like. Fuck, I'd rather shit myself than go in there, mate. Fuck that. Alright, back at my gaff. I'm fucking so ill, man. It's actually not even a joke. Not even a joke, I'm like really ill. Oh, it's so annoying because I'm hungry though, I want to eat. Like, I mean, I guess that's a good thing, I've got some appetite. But, like, there's not a lot I can eat, man. Like, really, all I should be eating is like bananas, bread, and like maybe some eggs or something. But like, apart from that, I need to just... so long, man. Like, I actually feel so sick, and it's just pissing me off because it's ruining everything. But I need to stop bitching about it and just fucking crack on, try and enjoy it despite the circumstances. But yeah, hopefully, I just hope like next few days, so like I can at least enjoy my last few days in the Philippines. But I mean, I don't know if I mentioned, I'm off to Bali. That's my next stop. I'm going to Bali on the 14th of May, so in like 6 days, so I'm just hoping I feel better there. I think I will, surely by then I'll be alright. And then I'll go there and get Bali belly, and I'm going to be even more ill, so... but nah, should be all good. I hope get better soon. Kitty! What are you doing? Got the old rehydration sachet, rehydration drink on the go. Don't know, hopefully it does something. Cheers. I've drank like 3 litres of water already today, and a Gatorade, and now this, and I still feel like dog shit, mate, to be honest. I don't know. I just hope I don't die. Let's hop back on the bike, go get some food, man. Hopefully I can enjoy it. It'll be nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some scran. Found a nice restaurant, but I ain't got any bloody money, so I'm gonna get some cash out. Some cashola. Let's get some money. Bloody had some, but I spunked it all on medicine. This place is cushy, man. Just chilling on the floor. It's well nice though. They've got some really good food as well. It's like 2 o'clock, but I might get breakfast. Just get some eggs and stuff. If you're in the Philippines, gotta drink this. 4 Seasons. It's banging. Yeah. So let's get some food. Yeah. Some eggs, banana, bread. I mean, all of that is pretty good for how I'm feeling. I mean, that might not be great, but I'm still gonna eat it. It looks banging. Got some scram, mate. Bloody starving. My 4 Seasons. That was banging, mate. No, it's just started raining as well. This place is pretty chill. There's loads of books and stuff. I just started reading. Stephen King book. I don't know. Might just chill here and read for a bit. Might as well. Pissing it down. So. Back at the gaff. I fell asleep in that bloody shop, in that little cafe restaurant place. Food was really good though, so nice. Just like a chill place. I read like 10 pages of the book and I just flaked. I might lie down for a bit and see if I get some energy to go out and do something. But yeah, sweet. Come out to the beach. The sun's already set. I forgot to film it. It weren't much of a sunset anyway. It was so cloudy, you know, you couldn't see nothing. But I just nicked mango smoothie. No, mango juice. I'm just editing some videos from the other day whilst filming another one, like videoception. But yeah, just chilling, man. It's a nice cafe. It's a good little spot, mate. Just proper chill. But I'm gonna go get some food in a bit, and then probably gonna be it for today. I mean, I don't know what to do. There's not loads to do around here in Port Barton. It's like really late, so I don't know. I'm kind of just chilling, like just eating a bit of food and going to bed early and just trying to rest. I got pretty battered in El Nido. Like not drinking, like just generally just knackered from doing all them boat tours and just activities and going to the beach all the time. It's nice to not have to do anything, just chill out. But yeah, I'm gonna chill here for a bit and then I'll go get some food, see what's good scran I can get. Some Italian. I'm gonna get meatball marinara pasta. Hopefully it's alright. I mean, like just trying to avoid anything with cream or cheese in it. So this don't have cheese. It's just tomato sauce and beef. I mean, I probably shouldn't even eat the meat, but like, come on now. I need to get the protein in. Got some pasta with toast for some reason. It looks decent though. I mean, there's no cheese on it, so it should be sweet. It's banana time. Got some baby bananas, mate. Hopefully Bananas out in Asia are so good. They just taste different. I'm probably going to go sleep now. I've eaten my bloody bananas. Alright guys, another day, another dollar. I'm feeling a bit better today actually. I feel a bit more back to old Ben. So I don't know what I'm going to do because there's not loads to do here in Port Barton. It's like a very laid back place, but there's another waterfall, so maybe I'll just go there. I might just cruise around on the moped, to be honest. Sometimes that's the nicest thing to do. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try to get up some stuff. I'm going to go to this place for breakfast anyway. It's meant to be really nice. Get some eggs and stuff and yeah, see where the day takes us. I found a nice little spot for some brekkie. With some eggs. This place is sweet, man. Pretty cool. I'm defo feeling better, but I'm actually starving, man. Like, I'm pretty hungry. I might go see what this other waterfall's saying, but I might just go for a cruise, see what I can find. There's a beach that's quite nice, but I might go there later for sunset. It's nicer, but yeah. See what I get up to, man. Alright, I'm gonna hop on the bike. See where I'm gonna go. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just gonna go for a cruise, man. This is what I love about the Philippines. I mean, look at this. Not just like the beaches and the islands, but like the countryside here. It's just unreal. So nice. Nice breeze here as well. That's really cool. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Just on like a road trip. Just driving to loads of, I don't know. Just down this road. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm just going to keep going, see what I can find. Look at this, man. I'm right out in the jungle. Can't beat a little Filipino road trip, you know, just, I don't know, it's just fun, going wherever the road takes me. But I think there's a waterfall down this way, so I'm going to go check that out. It's just a day of driving and going to waterfalls and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty nice though, nice day. Okay, I'm en route to the waterfall. I found it. I can hear it, mate. Well, see where it comes. The stream can't be far away. Let's go find a waterfall, man. I'm just chasing waterfalls this trip. That's all I'm doing. Arrived at the waterfall. It's a lot more quiet than the other one I went to. Hello! Hey! Hey! Get in, mate. See what it's saying. But it's bloody freezing, but I'm hoping it is. Lovely. It's cold, but it's nice, man. Very nice. Let's go under it. Look at that, the sun's just peeking through. beautiful. I might end the video now because I don't know what else to do. Sorry, it's only been me like going to waterfalls and just pissing about on the bike, but I'll try and get more excited videos coming soon. It's hopefully do some fun stuff, make more entertaining videos. I might throw in a cheeky little sunset at the end of this video. That's your treat for the day. But yeah, apart from that, sorry, videos are a bit shit. What can I do? But yeah, alright, catch you in the next one.